true that there is no gift tax payable by the donor as it was abolished in 1998. However, the recipient of the gift are now required to pay income tax thereon.
Apart from gifts received during the year, in case any property is sold for a consideration which is lower than the market value, the difference between the market value and the consideration will be added to the income of the buyer. Say a property worth rupees 25 lakhs is sold for a mere rupees 5 lakhs during the year. The difference of 20 lakhs will be added to the income of the buyer and the same will be taxed.
It's wrong to think that gifts are always tax-free. If you happen to give a gift to a family member of yours, then it will be tax-free. However, if the recipient is a non-family member, for instance, your boyfriend or girlfriend or your fiancé, then under certain circumstances, the gift will actually be taxable in the recipient's hand.